Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alex and welcome to my work. I made a lot of video about New York and today is a very special day because I'm gonna create celebrity hairstyle look. We almost done with hair. I just wanna improve a little bit pieces to fix everything and be ready for photo shoot. Because I'm gonna create very nice hairstyle because this is style where JLo in one of the show. So I'm gonna try to do the same, but it's gonna be a little bit different. Look carefully and it's gonna be amazing. What I'm gonna do, the first section is very important. So it's gonna be 2 sections and I'm gonna do 2 ponytails. Okay, the first step, I'm gonna use the L'Oreal's Hairspray Infinium 3. It's like flexible, like soft. I'm gonna apply for roots. So here's baby hair, very important. Then I'm gonna use this rubber. Can you hold this? When you do ponytail, the very important part, head have to be goes a little bit back. So I'm still apply hairspray, and then I need to brush whole hair. I'm gonna use a curly iron. It's gonna make ends of hair like a little bit up. So look how I use it. So make sure if it's hot. So I need to wait a little bit more. I'm going to start from the roots. This is one of the secrets to make very glossy ponytail, and I actually been learned in this Chris Appleton masterclass. He applied hairspray very close to roots and then brush it out, and then I use dryer. It makes very glossy. So I hope this tip's gonna help you with your future work.
The moment's going, emotions flowing, my feelings growing for you. I said the moment's going, emotions flowing, my feelings growing for you. Growing for you. I love the way you look at me, like nothing else is in between. Just thoughts and visions we can see, the visions only we can see. The moment's going, emotions flowing, my feelings growing for you. I said the moment's going, emotions flowing, my feelings growing for you.
Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you like it, and I prepare for you a lot of different videos about New York and stuff like that. Don't forget subscribe the channel and likes. Put comments below and see you in next episodes.